Looking for reliable and professional legal advice in Turkey? Look no further than Kurucuk and Associates Law Firm. Our day-to-day legal advice package is tailored to the needs of foreign companies and individuals looking to do business and invest in Turkey. With our expert team of legal professionals, we provide comprehensive and reliable legal consultancy services to ensure that your business and investments in Turkey are always fully compliant with the country's laws and regulations. Whether you need advice on commercial contracts, labor law, intellectual property, or any other legal matters, we've got you. Maximize your business potential in Turkey with Kurucuk and Associates Law Firm's day-to-day legal advice package. Trust Kurucuk and Associates Law Firm to be your partner in navigating the complex legal landscape of Turkey. With our extensive experience and expertise, we're committed to providing you with the highest quality legal services to help you achieve your business goals in this dynamic and exciting market. Contact us today to learn more about our day-to-day legal advice package and how we can support your business success in Turkey. Efficient daily operations and compliance management. Coordinating with public authorities to ensure compliance with local regulations. Drafting replies to state and governmental bodies, as well as customer complaints. Handling copyright infringement notices and liaising with relevant agencies and companies. Representing clients before all public authorities and preparing all necessary legal documents. Registering trademarks and patents, and monitoring their protection. Managing debt follow-up and collections, including filing liens and representing clients before enforcement offices. Assisting with correspondence with tax advisors. Managing leased properties, including drafting and managing hire managers' personal flat lease contracts. Drafting briefs for questions pertaining to daily operations across all branches of law. Implementing policies and managing compliance processes and issues. Managing external counsel, including in the provision of company secretarial services and corporate governance matters. Liaising with international legal affairs teams. Monitoring and assessing compliance risks and developing strategies to mitigate them. Promoting ethics, integrity, and compliance with sanctions and antitrust regulations. Providing regular updates and reports on compliance issues and progress. Conducting internal audits and investigations to ensure compliance. Providing training and education on compliance-related topics. Keeping up to date with changes in laws, regulations, and industry practices. Ensuring workflows and policies are up to date and implemented across all business units. Maintaining user consents, policies, and terms and conditions in accordance with local data protection regulations. Taking an active role in executing compliance programs for competition law, data privacy, and economic sanctions. Conducting research and providing recommendations to enhance the compliance culture. Reviewing and examining business practices periodically to ensure compliance with relevant regulations. Providing legal consultancy services to senior management, business units, and other relevant parties. Ensuring coordination with legal processes in all countries of operation. Informing relevant functions of important legal issues related to the company's field of activity. Handling personal data protection requirements. Managing record-keeping and reporting of all communication, lawsuits, documentation, negotiations, and agreements. Corporate affairs management. Prepare and register all necessary documents for General Assembly meetings, including Board of Directors resolutions, minutes of the shareholders' meeting, and petitions for the trade registry. Assist in drafting Board of Directors resolutions and preparing a specimen of signatures for the company. Provide legal opinions on corporate governance regulations under the new Turkish Commercial Code to the higher management. Collect shares from ex-shareholders in accordance with share purchase agreements. Support the company's operational staff when opening new workshops, branches, and offices. Assist with mergers, acquisitions, and related integration issues. Handle disputes, litigation, and claim management matters to mitigate risks and capture opportunities. Assist the legal department with drafting General Assembly documents, board decisions, and power of attorneys. Conduct or facilitate in-house legal training for your staff. Provide advice on data privacy protection regulations. Offer corporate secretarial services for general assemblies, board of directors meetings, and all kinds of corporate matters. Conduct and manage legal due diligence processes for your business. Efficient management of HR documents. Professionally drafted employment contracts, adapted to your occasional needs. Expertly crafted notices to employees, ensuring the receipt of their defenses for certain occasions. Carefully crafted warning letters to employees when necessary. Skillfully prepared termination notices for employees. Meticulously crafted protocols for the transfer of employees within intragroup companies. Comprehensive employment manuals that cover the delivery of vehicles, computers, and other necessary items. Regularly reviewed and updated company manuals to keep you compliant with the latest regulations. Effective contract management services. Expertly structure, draft, negotiate, and execute commercial contracts for clients across a wide range of sectors. Ensure all production and commercial agreements are completed to the highest standards. Provide timely and accurate counsel to businesses on a variety of legal topics. Analyze and resolve legal issues that arise in day-to-day operations, including contractual arrangements, litigation, and commercial practices. Offer business-oriented legal solutions and advice to support corporate departments and business units in achieving their goals and objectives. Develop and maintain contract templates and training materials. Stay up to date with Turkish legal developments and share knowledge with clients. Implement the Global and International Operations Compliance Plan and develop additional policies and procedures to comply with local laws and industry requirements. Develop legal strategies for senior management and lead high-value, risk commercial transactions and program reviews. Conduct due diligence to identify legal and business-related issues and draft due diligence reports. Provide legal advisory documents for company incorporations, corporate governance, share purchases, and transactional support for merger, acquisition, and financial restructuring projects. Ensure proper handling of drafting and reviewing transaction documents in compliance with Turkish Commercial Code and Turkish Code of Obligations, including non-disclosure agreements, share purchase agreements, shareholders agreements, closing document sets, and supporting contract negotiation meetings. Efficient debt recovery services. Professional services to pursue payment of debts owed by individuals or businesses. In-depth investigations of the debtor using local databases such as Companies House, including a legal memorandum. Sending a demand letter to the debtor to make them aware of the outstanding amount and request payment. Contacting the debtor to recover the claim in the amicable phase. Sending a letter before action to formally commence legal proceedings if the amicable phase is unsuccessful. If the debtor disputes the claim or fails to respond, taking legal action to recover the debt. Submitting a request to the appropriate court, depending on the debtor's location, to commence legal proceedings and complete the debt recovery procedure, including attaching and selling the debtor's assets. Expert dispute resolution and litigation services. Representation before Turkish courts, enforcement offices, and prosecution offices. Expert legal representation in litigation matters, with preparation of all necessary legal documents. Supervision and support of your internal legal department. Proactive management of commercial disputes, including preventative legal actions and advice to business units. Collaboration with HR for cost-effective settlement procedures and efficient mediation processes. Guidance to business units on legislative changes, particularly HR, marketing, and sales. Legal training to help you and your team stay up to date on the latest developments. Preparation and distribution of management and executive reports to keep you informed.